Students, let's complete the table of longitudinal location. India 68° east to 97° east. Egypt 24.5° east to 35° east. Russia 28.5° east to 180° east. Australia 113° east to 153° east. Pakistan 61° east to 75° east. Canada 54° west to 140.5° west. USA 73.5° west to 124° west. Mexico 88° west to 117° west. The sun is the biggest clock of the earth. The time at any place is decided by the position of the sun in the sky and its longitude. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. There are 360 longitudes in all, 180 to the east of the prime meridian and 180 to its west. In this way, 15 longitudes pass by the sun in 1 hour. One longitude takes 4 minutes to rotate. Thus, there is difference of 4 minutes between two adjacent longitudes. Therefore, the time in different places on the earth varies as per their longitudes. Students, the biggest time clock of the earth is the sun. The time on the earth is decided by the location of the sun and help the longitudes. The earth completes one full rotation in 24 hours. There are 360 longitudes. Thus, 15 longitudes pass in front of the sun in 1 hour. So, one longitude takes about 4 minutes to pass in front of the sun. So, the subsequent two longitudes have 4 minutes of difference in time. Activity: find out if the time in the countries given below is ahead or behind India. Why is it so? Think. Country: Nepal. Nepal has accepted Indian Standard Time. Pakistan behind. Bangladesh ahead. New Zealand ahead. USA behind. Canada behind. Singapore ahead. Japan ahead. Uganda behind. France behind. South Africa behind. Ukraine behind. Because those countries in the east of India are ahead of Indian time, while those which are in the west are behind. Local time: the time taken according to the overhead position of the sun in a particular place is known as the local time of that place. It differs by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude. When any longitude faces the sun directly, it would be 12 noon in all the places on that longitude. In this way, the local time of the place is decided according to mid-noon. The places located on the same longitude have the same time, and places located at different longitudes in the same country have different times. In a country, if the local time is different in different places, it can create problems in administration. How can one work in such situation? What must one do to solve this problem? Let us understand. Students, the time of any place at the midday is considered to be its local time. All places on the same longitude have the same local time, while different places in the same country have different local times.